are you doing today? Hello. Kiki eating banana. And since you keep throwing away things, Mommy got to give you a little one, a small one at a time. Welcome to our 14 days in Florida. And today we're on a roll again, straight up to evening. It's gonna take us another, okay, so maybe 5-6 hours instead of 4 hours. We might stop at few places if the weather is nice. If Kiki nice. Not much of raw stuff here apart from a bowl of fruit. This is the only thing they have. And it's on our table. Imagine or not. Yeah, and Kiki start first with the banana. We're gonna have some orange and then pear, and then Mommy gonna make you a smoothie. Because I bring the blender with me, so gonna make her a smoothie, and we still have few stuff that pack in the car: celery, tomato, spinach. Yeah, so it's so good until we get to evenings, and then we're gonna stay there for a couple of days, which we might go shopping. For now, we enjoy it. Alright, we finished breakfast with throwing bread. Alright, we'll see you later. Bye bye. We're back in what I prepared today is that I chop up the mango so we can have this on the go. And now I'm going to make Kiki smoothie since she loved it so much yesterday. We're gonna make a smoothie for the rest of today. Well, okay. Ta-da, look at what. Yes, and now we have banana pear. I don't have the avocado today, so we just go with banana, pear, and apple. So hopefully that would be enough for today. I'm gonna just put some water. Yeah. Yeah. No. Someone is complaining because she's been changing napkin. Okay, we just make use of spice here. No, on the go. And Daddy changing Kiki.
A few moments later.
We're in Gretna Green, and the first stop we visit is famous blacksmith shop. Ta-da! This is Gretna Green, 1754. Very famous blacksmith, and they even have a children place. Look at that pink cherry blossom tree, so nice. Oh, what is it that you want me to see? Let's go and explore the place, shall we? Power of love, thrill of the chase. Fancy. No stopping love. A lot of people come here to do wedding because apparently, although Scotland is a big place, but only few nice spot and location. See, so they kind of like decorate for wedding. You see all the hut on the screen there. Normally if they're wedding, fresh flower will be brought in. Oh, look at that, that's cute. We are at Highland Folk Museum. And we only have 5 minutes before before they close off. Too late. Actually, half hour still. Half hour before. We actually in the middle. But to walk to either end, we will need at least half an hour. Now it's smoothie time. Oh, there's a train going that way. There's a train. Oh, there's a London phone box here as well. So this is what people used to live back in the folk country days. Some people still have this in London. Fire, yeah.
And that's halfway through, you like starting to take a photo.
They hang the clothes on top the ceiling. Look, it's cool. And over here we got the queen, the young queen, in the bedroom. You notice there's no the loo in the house, so the loo is outside here. Not much different from Asia's. There's the loo and the washing line. Very basic. Got the water going out there. Nice. Got a little bit of front garden stuff. Nice. There's a very old one down there. Hear the wind. This is some kind of like a country hall or something for the hotel. Maybe. Okay, that they want to check out the pavilion. It's like a school or something. Shinty. Check this out. Got a proper machine here. See the pictures up on the wall? I mean, I don't think anymore, but nowadays they still use it. Just a more modern machine. That's it. We had couscous with, stuffed bell pepper. It looks very good. Half of it is raw because and half of it did not include the bread. Whatever Kiki can eat. Oops. And Kiki just keep looking at all the boys. Are you looking at boy? Are you looking at boy? Huh? Are you looking at boy?